Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will show you how to create a custom business unit for your Power Platform environment and what exactly the use of a business unit is. I'll show you practically. So I will show you here the end-to-end process right from creating to using the business unit. Business unit is a very important aspect. The business unit is a very important aspect in an environment while you are dealing with permissions. With your Power Platform resources like Power Apps, Power Pages, Power Automate, etc. A business unit in Power Platform is a way to organize and control access to data and resources based on different groups, like departments or teams. It helps keep information secure by ensuring each group only sees what they need to do their work. And this will be helpful during the auditing and governing of your platform environment. And the business unit will be used in security roles and Power Platform teams. So we need to know what exactly the business unit offers or why we need it. So I can give you a sample-related example of a business unit. When you work in a company, you see the organizational employee hierarchical chart. In simple terms, who reports to whom? At the top, we will have the CEO. Then under the CEO, one or many board members. Then under them, we will have many directors. Then under them, we will have many managers. Under them, we will have many leads, followed by many teams and team members, and so on. This is how an org chart works in a company. This is just an example. It may not be the same hierarchy for all organizations. If you have a look at the screen, you will be better understanding what I meant. This is how the organization reporting hierarchy looks like. Similarly, we can relate this org chart with the business unit. Let me explain how. Let's say you are running a company across the globe, and you have offices in the USA, Canada, the UK, and Australia. You may create country-specific focus business units like the USA Business Unit, Canada Business Unit, UK Business Unit, and Australia Business Unit. You may even have multiple business units for the same country. It all depends on your organization's business function strategy. Under a business unit, you may have multiple department-specific teams. This is the Power Platform team, not Microsoft collaboration and communication. Chat-based teams. Under each team, we will have a group of employees to perform their tasks. Power Automate and other resources. Power Automate and other resources of the Power Platform. In a more organized and focused way, we need to create a country-specific, department-specific. Resources will be assigned or mapped to. These business units will be used for governing or project-specific business unit where all your Power Platform. Auditing your Power Platform environments. And also, these business units will be the input for your Power Platform, security roles, and Power Platform teams. So, in the business units and Power Platform teams hierarchy, business units come at the top, then come Power Platform teams, then come people around the teams. This is how we can relate the people management org chart and the business entity management org chart. Both we can relate to each other. One thing I must say here is that the business unit is a larger or broader aspect of the Power Platform, and the Power Platform team is a subset of the business unit. A lot of people get confused on this understanding. Let's hope this understanding is clear now to all of us. Have a look at the screen for better understanding. Now, let me give a practical example of business unit in Power Platform. In an IT software company, departments like development, sales, HR, and support each need access to different data. By setting up business units in Power Platform, access is tailored so HR manages only employee data, sales only client information, and development focuses on code, keeping sensitive data secure and organized by team. Why we need business units. Business units enhance data security and workflow efficiency by ensuring each team accesses only the data they need, reducing risks and supporting organized, role-based access within the company. Now I will show you how to create your business unit for your Power Platform environment step by step. So first, let's get started with this. You need to log into your Power Platform Admin Center portal. From there, click on this, Environments, where you will get to see all your Power Platform environments. Select your environment where you want to create your business unit. Alright, so this is the environment where I am going to create my business unit. So I will just select and open this environment. Now at the right side panel, under the Access section, I can see security roles, teams, users, S2S apps, and business units. Click onto the Business Units link. Let's click on that. Opening the Business Units link in a new tab. Other ways of getting into this navigation or creating a business unit. We can click on the Environment settings. From there, we need to expand the Users and Permissions sections. From there, click on the Business Units link. From here also, we can create a business unit. Both the links are the same. Now let's start creating my custom business unit. This is my custom business unit. This business unit I have already created, and this is the out-of-the-box business unit. This is parent business unit, and this is the child business unit. Let's click on this to create a new business unit. We need to pass the business unit name. By the way, one thing I must say here is, basically there are two sections in this. One is the general. Another is addresses. Except for the name and parent business unit, all fields are optional, but it is good to have. For this demo, I'll skip the optional parameters. So I will move on to create my business unit. Here I will just enter the division as IT. I can pass any relevant text here. Now by default, my parent business is selected. However, I can change it. Even I can pass my other custom business unit as a parent business unit. Like, I can make this business unit as a parent business unit even. This can be parent to my new business unit that I'm going to create. But I'm not going to make that hierarchy complicated. I'll just keep my default parent business unit and move on to create my new business unit. Now you can mention your website here if you have it, your main phone number, other phone number, email, and fax. You may pass the address details as well. For bill to address, enter street addresses, state or province, zip or postal code, country or region. You can enter the ship to address details as well as shown on the screen. You can see the field details here of what is to be entered. These are optional, but good to have. So I'll just keep this as is now, and I have passed the name of my business unit and that's it. Now let's click on this Save button. My new business unit is being created. Let's see. Yes, exactly. My new business unit got created. This is the one I created now, and I can now open my business unit from here. The newly created business unit is here. I can manage my business unit from this location. I can go to this Edit menu. Even if I want, I can rename it and do other changes. I can change the name, division, parent business unit, and other details as well. I'm not going to change anything here. I'm just showing how we can edit a business unit after creating it. From the Child Business Units menu, we can see child business units. With the various views, like active business units, business associated views, and inactive business units. From the Users menu, we can see users' details with their various views. From the Teams menu, we can see the team's details with their various views. By the way, when we create a new business unit, automatically a team gets created with the business unit name, as you can see here. Then we got audit history. Using this we can view the audit logs. Then at the top we've reassigned business unit records. Reassign demo business units users, records, and child business units to the selected business unit. Using the Manage Business Units in Dynamic 365 menu, we can open and manage business units in a model-driven app, as we can see in the screen. We can edit business unit details from here as well. We can change the parent business unit, we can enable or disable a business unit, and we can delete a business unit. We can perform these actions from the three dots ellipses menu as well. Now, opening my business unit is using the Manage Business Units in Dynamics 365 feature. I can manage my business units from here as well, like I can edit and delete business units from here. I can edit the name, division, parent business, website, phone numbers, fax, and email. From the Addresses menu, I can update the business unit address details. I can also integrate this business unit with Microsoft Flow, like I create my flow from this business unit. Then go to the business unit library, then select your business units, and then you can perform the actions like changing the parent business unit, enabling or disabling, and deleting the business unit. We also can perform a bulk delete operation. Please have a look at the screen to see what and how I am doing. A bulk deletion job can be scheduled. Whatever the operation, we can do it from the top menu. We also can do it from the specific business unit selection menu. Select your specific business unit, click on the three dots, and you can see the action, like change parent business unit, enable or disable, and reassign business unit records. Next, I will go to verify the team. As I said, when we create a new business unit in the Power Platform environment, automatically a new team will be created in that environment with the same name as the business unit. Let's verify whether that's true. So now I'm going to my Power Platform environment where I have created my business unit. Then from the environment settings, going to the Teams menu. There, let me search with a team name with the business unit name. I should be able to find my team there. Yes, I searched with my business unit in this team's gallery, and I could find my new team, which I have not created directly here or manually. This just got created automatically when I created my business unit from my environment business unit screen. Then we can open this team like other teams from here, and the team will be opened in the Model Drive app, where we can manage this team as well. Like we can create a new team and edit team details like team name and business unit. Automatically, the business we create will be mapped to it. However, we can change it. Add members to the team. We can delete the team. Please follow the screen. What I am doing is self-explanatory. Please follow the screen. What I am doing is self-explanatory. Please follow the screen. What I am doing is self-explanatory. That's it for today. To summarize this tutorial, we have learned what business units are in Power Platform and what the teams in Power Platform. What is the relationship between a business unit and a team in Power Platform? How to use business units and teams in a Power Platform environment. Next time, while you are in need of creating a business unit and team for your organization, you will be able to create them confidently, isn't it? I hope you liked and enjoyed this demo and learned something new today. If this helped you, please consider subscribing to my channel. In the upcoming days, I'll come up with many trending videos on Microsoft's latest technologies, like Microsoft Copilot, GenAI, Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, SharePoint Online, artificial intelligence, and many more. Kindly be with me and help me to grow on this journey. Thank you.